Alright, so light has just turned off, so it is fully done up. So we're going to turn on the plasma. And let's pump some steam through it. I'm going to turn it upside down, sorry about that, but you get the best view. Now watch, look how much bigger that gets. So it definitely has something to do with the steam. So I bet you I just need really hot steam. So it's still a negative of burning water. I'm starting to think maybe we need to mix a little bit of HHO with this. I'm going to try one more thing. I've got some water that I got from my dehumidifier, and I'm going to replace that with this. I think maybe there might be a chance that the chlorine and the fluoride that's in the water might have something to do with the fact that I'm not getting a really nice burn. And this thing only takes a few minutes to heat up, so just to give you an idea of how much steam's coming out of it. So, and it's pretty much all empty anyways. Yeah, so just fire it up one more time here. Sorry for the camera work. So we'll try the other water, see how that works, and we might have to do steam and HHO to get that nice burn. So I'm hoping not, but you never know. It would mean that that all of my theories were completely incorrect, but I guess that's the whole point of experimenting, right? So yeah, take her easy. I'll be putting up another one right after this one, so keep watching them.